What's up, Danny gang? So good morning, y'all. We are starting this Sunday morning off at this tire place, y'all. I freaking got a plug in my tire, so the gentleman is about to fix it. But yeah, this is where we are. Y'all already know I'm on the south side. I'm in Jonesboro, but yeah, he just walked by. We're about to fix the plug, and then I'm gonna go to church. It's 9 o'clock. Church started like 9:30, but it probably ain't gonna start till like 9:45. So we're good. Yeah, happy Sunday. Good morning. I'm vlogging today. Hey, I'm trying to have like 5 videos this week, period. So let's get it. But before we go to church, I want y'all to know that I'm currently now jumping people in the gang. So if you want to be a member of the Danny gang, go ahead and press subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you're a lifetime member. Being in the Danny gang is like being in like a secret cult, and it's lit. So yeah, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. I stopped at Starbucks, and y'all, typically I don't get Starbucks twice on a weekend, but I got it yesterday. I'm getting it today. Y'all already know what I drink. Keto, iced double blonde, 4-shot sugar-free vanilla, and heavy cream on the side. Literally have 1 minute to get in church. Church is right there, so let's get into church. So now we're at Walmart, and I did want to give you guys like a quick tip for shopping or getting more steps in. So typically I would park like all the way down there, but now I'm still a quite distance from the store. So one tip that I always use is to park far as heck from the store, which will make you have to get more steps in. So I don't mind parking far. I know a lot of people like to park close to the store, but park far from the store so that we can get steps in. I know it's just a couple steps, but they make a difference if you do it all the time. So anyway, y'all, let's get in here and do this grocery shopping, because I ain't trying to be in here all day, and I know y'all ain't either. So let's get it. Guys, quick little update. I just wanted to show you guys my cart. So I have meats, I got chicken breast, ground beef, pork chops, I got my favorite waters, I got some low carb tortillas, a Quest pizza, got some veggies, I got some hot dog buns and chili with no beans. I did get popcorn for the days that I'm not keto. I got popcorn. I love kettle corn. I got some tuna packs for salads, some taco seasoning. So yeah, I just wanted to come and update you guys on my cart. And now I'm in the Valentine's Day section. Like, y'all, Walmart has some of the cutest freaking Valentine's Day stuff. Do y'all have a Valentine? I don't know if I will. But if y'all do have a Valentine or a husband, what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Because it is vastly approaching, and Walmart got it lit. Walmart got it looking real good. They even got the wine over here. They got the stuffed animals, the glasses. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. After school snack, and it's like a wine glass for like teachers. Teacher off duty. That's so cute. They got handcuffs over here. But one thing I really liked, and where is it, are these ceramic mugs. I think these ceramic mugs are so cute. They're so cute. And what else I liked? I just like everything over here. I love Valentine's Day. I just think it's so romantic. Even though it's a man-made holiday, I think it's so cute. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my cart. Okay, gang, so I made it home. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys everything that I got on this shopping trip, and then I'll kind of describe like some meal ideas that I have planned for the week. So let's get it. Okay, guys, so the very first thing I'm gonna show you is this Cetaphil. I got the extra gentle daily scrub because they were out of what I normally use. This one has particles inside, kind of like a scrub. So we're gonna try this and see if I like it, but I wanted to show you this first because it's unrelated to the groceries. The next thing that I picked up was this Quest pizza. Y'all know last week I did a what I eat in a day, And this Quest pizza was so bomb, I had to buy another one. Y'all, it's 6 grams of carbs per half the pizza. But y'all, this pizza like $7. So like my mama said, you may have to take out a loan to buy it, but it's bomb. I recommend anybody who's keto to get it for like a quick, easy night. I picked up these Carb Counter La Bandera tortilla wraps. So each wrap has 5 carbs, which is not bad if you keep your carbs minimum during the day, and then you can have like 2 of these, which I plan to do, make tacos. So yeah, these are 5 net carbs. So I got a pack of these. I also got some cheese. So I got the taco blend cheese, finely shredded, like 4 tacos or whatever. So yeah, I picked that up. I also picked up my favorite drinks. I got the black cherry, I got wild cherry, I got Fiji apple, strawberry, and tangerine mango. I have talked about these so many times on my channel. So yeah, these are my favorite drinks from Walmart from Clear American. I got 2 packs of tuna for salad this week. So I got lemon pepper and I got Thai chili. Thai chili says bold, it's supposed to be spicy, but I had it before and it's really good. I got a pack of taco seasoning because like I said, one day this week, I'm going to do tacos. So I got taco seasoning. And then I also got a pack of classic iceberg lettuce. And then I also got just head of lettuce, like for salads and tacos and stuff. And then I got the classic ranch dressing. I'm not a fan of like light dressing. I don't think it tastes good. And if we look at the carbs, it's 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons. So you just have to be mindful. So I got that to like go with salads. And then I also grabbed 2 cucumbers. I grabbed a lemon for like water at work. And then I grabbed 4 tomatoes. And I'm gonna have these tomatoes with tacos on my salad or whatever. I grabbed a can of chili, no beans, because another easy meal I like to do is just get the chili with no beans, get the cheese, and 2 of these ballpark Franks, and yeah, a bag of Quest chips. And yeah, I do that for dinner, no bun or anything. So yeah, that's an easy meal. So yeah, the chili. And then for my meats, I got these ballpark bun size Franks. I also just got some ground beef for the tacos. So that's an easy meal. Everything else is prepped. All I have to do when I come home is make the ground beef and season it. I got some pork chops because I'm thinking I want to do something with pork chops, maybe in a crock pot this week. So I'll probably just like add whatever I want to do with these pork chops during the week. But I grabbed these thin pork chops because I'm not a big fan of pork chops. But when I do, they have to be like these thin breakfast chops. And then I found this big 3-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breast on sale for $5.23. So I got this big bag for like another maybe crock pot meal, maybe cracked chicken. If you guys have ever heard of cracked chicken, I could do cracked chicken with this. I could put it in the crock pot or the slow cooker, the Instapot, and shred it and have tacos or whatever. And then last but not least, I grabbed keto corn for when I'm not keto because I love keto corn. So that was my haul today. I think everything was like 50 bucks. I showed y'all my receipt. So yeah, that's just today's grocery haul with some quick, easy, simple meal ideas. And really quickly, guys, I wanted to show you guys what I already had in my freezer. So literally, I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 items in the freezer. So luckily, I went grocery shopping. But the 5 items that I had left over from like the previous week were these mashed cauliflower, mashed potatoes. And y'all know I'm a fan of cauliflower rice. So I like these as well, but the rice is the best. So I also have this. And again, these 5 items were already in the freezer. So I have the mashed cauliflower. I also just have a bag of steamed fresh broccoli. Y'all know I love broccoli, so yeah, I have a bag of steamed fresh broccoli, and I can actually add this to the pork chops or whatever I decide to do. So that's why I always like to do inventory on what I have so that I can just add things like throughout the week. So this will probably go with the pork chops and maybe like a sauce over it or like a gravy. So yeah, I had this left over. I had these meatballs. They're beef meatballs, and I can pretty much do anything with these. I can do like a mock spaghetti, which I've done before with those see-through noodles, and I can add a sauce on top, or I can just do meatballs in the sauce. And then I also have these steakums, chicken breast sandwich steaks. So yeah, with this I can do a little bit of everything. I can do a Philly cheesesteak. I can do taco. I can pretty much do everything. So yeah, I do have these chicken breast steakums left over. If you guys have any ideas for me to cook something with these steakums, leave it in the comments, or any ideas that I can use with these items. Tell me your favorite recipes. And then the last thing that I have are these smart buns. So as you guys can see, they are 0 carbs, non-GMO, only 72 calories per bun. These are smart buns, and I ordered these offline myself. They're actually sesame buns, so they are 0 carb. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I have already ate 2 of them, and this is how they come, individually wrapped 0 carb hamburger buns. So these are bomb when you want to stay keto but you want bread, and I could always just make hamburgers with this beef and add lettuce and make a burger. So yeah, if you guys haven't tried these before, these are really good. And again, they are 0 net carbs. I ordered these offline. They came relatively quick, and as long as you freeze them, they last for as long as you want them to last. And here are the macros for these. Total carbs 16, total dietary fiber 12, erythritol 4, which means they have 0 net carbs, and 10 grams of protein. They do contain egg and dairy, so if you're trying to stay away from dairy, these won't be good for you. But sis, keto, 0 carbs, period. These are really good. So yeah, that's what I had left over. All right, guys, so I just finished showing you guys what I buy. Kind of like on a week to week. Every week varies, but those are kind of like my staples. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have like recipe ideas or meal ideas, leave them down below, because I am always trying to find something new, something quick, something easy, and something keto to eat so that I don't like fall off the rails. But before I go, I wanted to just share today's word with you guys, because you know, I went to church, but I didn't really talk about it, and I try not to talk about everything that happens at church, just because my subbies, my family, I'm not sure about your guys' religious backgrounds, but I think today's message can help everybody. So basically, today's message was about negative people, negative energy, and the negativity that we keep around us. And that hit home, because lately I feel like it's been like a lot of negativity, like negative people, negative friends around me. And it's so crazy, y'all, because if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it on screen. On Instagram, I had posted like, no need for unsupportive family or friends in 2020. No need for negativity. And it's so crazy that today that's what the service was about. So yeah, I just wanted to come and let you guys know that basically we need supportive people around us. So if you're a business owner, get around positive business owners. If you want to own a house, get around people that are making those same strides. When we surround ourselves around people that's negative, that's constantly drinking, smoking, and doing all this crazy stuff, we get off track. And I just wanted to come and share that word, because it really hit home. And I was like, let me tell the Danny gang, because sometimes when I'm going through things that I don't talk about it, I know y'all are probably going through some of the same things. So yeah, I wanted to come and just share that. If y'all feel like y'all have like negative people around you and a lot of negative energy, sis, like get away from it. Like say bye-bye. And I know it's hard depending on who is the negative person. It could be family, it could be your best friend, but let's just try to like wean that negativity out of our life, because I felt myself surrounding myself around negative people, and I'm like, yo, like why? Like, hello? No need to be negative. Like, I'm positive. It's 2020. Like, this is clear vision. It's a year of vision, so they say. So yeah, I wanted to come and share that word with you guys. But anyway, if you like this vlog, you like this video, you like me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, press subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and drop the hamburger down below, because I know a lot of y'all are going to be excited about the 0 carb buns. So yeah, drop a hamburger down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video, reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces. Bye, guys.